Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include alloy wheels, rear view camera, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2016 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, bed liner, traction control, headlights auto off, steel wheels, cruise control, power steering, tilt steering wheel, vinyl seats, wipers, variable speed intermittent. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.